Hey artists, in this video you're going to learn how to make a fortune teller. You can start with a piece of paper, scissors if you have them, and something to write with. The first thing we want to do is create a square shape out of our paper. To do this, we can fold the corner of our paper over to the top edge of our rectangle. This should create a triangular shape. If you have scissors, you'll want to cut off this extra piece here. If you don't have scissors, you can fold the paper back and forth until it tears off. Today I'm going to use scissors. Always remember to cut away from your body when using scissors. Great. Now I have a square piece of paper. And I also have a diagonal line. I'm going to create a second diagonal line by taking the bottom left corner of my paper and folding it up to the top right corner. When I unfold my paper this time, you'll notice I have an X in my folds. Next, I'm going to fold the paper in half. So taking the bottom edge of my paper and folding it to the top edge. Crease, crease. Open the paper all the way back up. Now you should have 3 folds, an X and a line down the middle. Next, for our 4th fold, I'm going to take the right edge of my paper and fold it to the left side. When I open my paper now, you'll notice the following lines. I'm going to highlight them just so you can see them. You should have a plus symbol and an X. When they all come together, it almost looks like a star. Great. Next, we're going to take the corners of our paper and fold them to the center. Starting here, creating a triangle shape. I can turn my paper and continue to fold the corner to the center. You'll do this with all of the sides until you have a square shape. Great. Now I'm going to flip my paper upside down. And I'm going to do the same exact fold. So taking the corner and folding it to the center. Rotating my paper. Great. The next and last step, I'm going to fold my fortune teller in half. When I fold it in half and crease, I should then have these little pockets. I should have them on both sides. Those pockets are going to be for your fingers. So the next step is to make the shape of the fortune teller. So you may have to use both hands to kind of pop out the shape. And there you go, your fingers should fit in these spaces here. And you should have your fortune teller. You can begin next by writing in the spaces, letters, colors, numbers. And then you can number these here as well. And don't forget to put your fortune on the inside. Awesome. Nice work, artists.